Do you have any secret fetishes? Let's say you learn about your boyfriend's fetish early in the relationship. For example, he likes to sniff feet, smell your shoes, or wear women's underwear, etc. Would you stay or leave? Do you think fetishes are something people are born with or develop over time?
Married.
Oh, when you're married. So there's no. What's your name and age?
I'm Jim, 19.
Jim.
Yes po, yes.
Okay, how are you tonight, Jim?
I'm doing good po.
Are you full Filipino or half?
Full po, full.
Full. You look your facial feature looks like you're kind of it's beautiful actually. I thought you're half. Very pretty. Do you have any secret fetishes?
Yes po.
May we know what is it?
Um, Pain is pleasure for me. Yes po.
Interesting. And how old are you?
I'm 19.
Okay. Other than that, what else?
Actually, wala na. None. Yeah.
Okay.
That's the only thing I have.
Okay. Let's say you learn about your boyfriend's fetish early in the relationship. For example, he likes to sniff feet, smell your shoes, or wear women's underwear, etc. Would you stay or leave?
Um, I don't, to be honest, I really find it weird, but if I really love that person, I'll accept whatever fetish he has.
Would you rather have a partner tell you about their fetish early on or keep it to themselves?
I would rather um I would rather them to tell it to me early in the relationship so that I can understand, and if it's included in my non-negotiable, so we can talk about it na, rather than he's going to keep it a secret tapos later on I will find out about it, and I might feel na he's keeping secrets behind my back which are not okay with me.
But you're okay with any kinds of fetishes, right?
It depends if I'm comfortable with it.
Do you think fetishes are something people are born with or develop over time?
I think they develop it over time. It's something that they learn later on when they grow up.
How about you?
It's actually something that I learned. Kasi when I was young, I never really thought that pain is something that I will like during the. Yeah.
Are you still studying?
Yes po.
What are you studying?
AB psychology.
Psychology. That's very interesting. And what year are you now?
Second year.
And I bet you're single, right?
Yes, I am.
How long have you been single?
To be honest, we just broke up last June.
Last June.
Yeah, so about more than a month.
Oh, we ask this a lot of times, but would you ever date a foreigner?
It depends.
Depends to what?
If he can
What?
I mean, if he can provide and also accept what who I really am.
Why? Who are you? Like, what are you?
I mean, we all have past experiences that some people might not like. So I want someone who will accept me whatever my past is.
Can you please tell us your name and age?
Glacian po, 20 years old.
Do you have any secret fetishes?
Um, my fetish po, I love someone who has a good smell po. Like,
So technically, you like to sniff. You like to smell, your partner.
yes,
How do you usually? How often do you do it? Like a lot?
a lot po.
Okay, a lot. Now, let's say you learn about your boyfriend's fetish early in the relationship. For example, he likes to sniff feet, smell your shoes, or wear women's underwear, etc. Would you stay or leave?
I would stay po. Um, for me po, it's normal naman to have, we have every person po have different fetish. And if that's someone who I love, have a weird fetish or something not normal to do, I would still accept what he wanted to do.
And stay.
Yes, I would stay po.
Would you rather have a partner tell you about their fetish early on or keep it to themselves?
Um, I love men who are honest po. So, I would prefer po na he would say it or say it to me early, yes.
Do you think fetishes are something people are born with or develop over time?
Um, in my in my experience po, I develop my fetish po. So, I think hindi po siya, it's not something to
Are
have.
born with?
Yeah, you were born with po. So I think as time goes by po, you will develop something like that.
Are you still studying?
Yes po.
May we know what's your course, Beth?
Nursing po.
Nursing. And what year are you now?
Second year po.
Can you tell us your name and age, please?
Rai po, tapos 18 years old.
How are you tonight, Rai?
Fine.
You're fine. Rai has the most sweet smile. Okay. So here's the question, Rai. Do you have any secret fetishes?
Um, well, I think wala po.
You think no, none. Let's say you learn about your boyfriend's fetish early in the relationship. For example, he has a latex fetish, likes to wear high heel shoes, or likes bandage, etc. Would you stay or leave?
I think live since uh like siya po yung nagwe-wear ng heels. I think live since it's not my type as a woman.
It's not your type. Okay. What is that? It's just because of the examples that I gave, or you just don't like someone with fetish?
I just don't like someone with fetish.
Just your opinion, okay? Your honest opinion. Do you think fetishes are something people are born with or develop over time?
I think develop over time since um when when you grow older, there's a lot of realizations and what you observe in the community. Then sometimes you just like ma-adapt si
You adapted, okay. Are you still studying?
yes,
May we know what's your course, be?
hospitality and management.
And what year are you now?
First year.
What is your name and age?
Milen po and I'm 20 years old.
How are you tonight, Mylene?
I'm tired because I attend dance practice po this day.
Do you have any secret fetishes?
Like the collarbone po and the Coca-Cola body po because I attend flexibility training po and core. Like tomorrow po we attend flexibility training because
You mentioned collarbone.
yes po. And the body po like the cardio training po. The core in the body.
Like with abs like those.
Po, yes.
When you said yes. Okay. Let's say you learn about your boyfriend's fetish early in the relationship. For example, he likes to sniff feet, smell your shoes, or wear women's underwear, etc. Would you stay or leave?
Leave. Because I respect myself po. Respect myself. I if he talk to me to a permission po, I can po kasi ay no. Oh my god.
Just confused. What do you mean? What do you mean you're gonna leave because of what?
Don't respect po.
Because he doesn't respect you.
Yes po.
But you even mentioned earlier that you yourself you have a fetish.
Because I love myself. I expose myself in the mirror po because ganon.
Okay, I'm now a little confused. But if it's him, it's not good. Like you don't accept it. Is it because it's extreme? Because as I said earlier, it's like smell your feet, smell your shoes, or wear women's underwear. So it's like too extreme for you.
Yes.
How about if he just likes to sniff you, like for example, your armpit, your how do you say it, like your neck or your hair?
Is it okay po?
It's okay,
Yes.
but not too extreme, like smelling your feet or.
No.
Would you rather have a partner tell you about their fetish early on or keep it to themselves?
Keep it to themselves po. Because it is have a right time po for tell it to me po.
And when do you think is the right time for him to tell you about his fetish?
Married po.
Oh, when you're married. So there's no so okay, you can't leave him or what, right? Because you're married already. So if it's a boyfriend, there's a tendency that you're gonna leave, right?
Yes.
Okay. So when they're married, that's when he can confess, like, oh, I like this, I like that. Do you think fetishes are something people are born with or develop over time?
Are born with po.
Earlier, you said that you're gonna leave him, right? If he has this extreme fetish, right?
Yes.
How about if you really love him, like so much? Do you think that your love will override or win over his fetish?
I stay.
Yeah. Oh. So you'll say love will win.
Yes. Yes. Love will be
Okay. But I'm curious, are you single or are you in a relationship?
single.
How long have you been single?
2 years po.
2 years. Okay. What are you studying?
Teacher education po.
What course? I mean, sorry. What is what do you call this? Education. You're studying like major in
English.
major in English. I'm sorry, guys. I think this is because of the coffee. That's why I'm like this. Major in English.
Yes po.
What is your name and age?
I'm Giana Rose, 19 years old.
How are you tonight?
I'm fine.
That's good to hear. So here's the question. Okay. We have these very loud vehicles. Okay. Do you have any secret fetishes?
Yeah. Like, parang good smell of man. Smell good.
And
Tall.
okay, the height. You have a.
Then also teeth. Good teeth.
Okay, let's say you learn about your boyfriend's fetish early in the relationship. For example, he has a latex fetish, likes to wear high heel shoes, or likes bandage, etc. Would you stay or leave?
For me, I will stay because for me it's kind of sweet because she has a good
He has.
he has a good good she was a good looking for a formal for me like he's obsessed parang like that for me it's sweet.
It's kind of like those kind of fetishes is like obsession for you, and then you like it.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Would you rather have a partner tell you about their fetish early on or keep it to themselves?
Mm, I want to I want they I want him to tell me what's parang fetish because I want also to to be parang to make him good to feel with me po.
So you want him to say it early on.
Yes, yes.
Okay, instead of keeping it to himself. Okay. Do you think fetishes are something people are born with or develop over time?
Mm, for me, it's developed over time. Like, parang they have taste in women or for their parang it's such an attractiveness. Yeah, yes, parang sex appeal.
So it developed.
Yes.
Are you single or are you in a relationship?
Situationship.
Situationship. Oh, well, anyway, are you still studying?
Yes, yes.
Let me know what's your course.
Now, I'm just take vocational.
Vocational. What is it?
I like um vocational like caregiver or nursing attendant.
So you're planning to work abroad, right?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, we have a friend of hers as well. Bear, say hi. You want to say hi? Come on. She's very shy, guys. Very shy. I really want to interview her. Manabedi ka lang, babe. Oh, I really want to interview her because she has a good story or some. Manabedi ka, babe. Okay. Like, you want to say hi, babe?
Hello po.
Can you tell us your name? Just first name.
Angel.
Angel. And how old are you, Angel?
I'm 21 years old.
You know, guys, it's very seldom for us to meet someone who is in a relationship with someone from another country. And Angel is. Your boyfriend is from?
Uh, sorry po, hindi pala yung Los Angeles, Santa Ana, California.
Okay, where is he from?
Santa Ana.
Santa Ana, from abroad. Santa Ana, USA.
Yes,
How long have you been together again? Sorry.
almost 2 years.
2 years. And you met him in person, right?
Yes, already.
Okay. How about this one? Okay, no need. Okay. Well, anyway, she's shy, so no need to ask. Anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care, everyone. Bye bye.
Beautiful reflections